Okay, so a quick little video about the Hydra case. I've been using it as my main case for an iPhone 6 for the last 2 to 3 weeks now. It's been the only case I've been using, giving it a real test. Been doing a lot of travelling, putting it in my pocket, in and out on desks, on flights, taking it around with me. It's been kind of holding up quite well. For the main part, it's worked really, really well. You'll probably see at the top here, if it will focus properly, you'll actually see there's no scratches at all. And if you get little thin scratches, they do automatically self-heal. And I've just tried it on a desk. In fact, I'll try and see if I can do that now. Excuse the mess in the hotel. So, if I was to get a knife, and scratch the phone, what you should see at the top, if I just give it a wipe, no scratches. So that was really, really good, and it's nice to be able to know that small scratches, like I would have done with a normal knife for a meal, is protected. What it doesn't do, and I did find, is when using the part of the knife that's the edge part, whatever you want to call it, it didn't hold up as well, as you'll notice here. Now, that happened about half an hour ago, and it's not disappearing. So it looks like a deep scratch will stay permanent on the case. That was with a knife though, so let's be honest, how many times are you going to start scratching your case with a knife? The main thing was to show you that although it's self-healing, it is for minor scratches. If you get any deep scratches like this, it won't heal itself, unfortunately, but that was the same as we noticed on the G-Flex as well. But for generally putting your phone in your pocket, putting it down onto a desk, onto a table, putting it in your pocket with some keys or some change, it will actually hold up really, really well. You won't get any scratches on it, which is really, really good. Again, it's only the really deep scratches that could cause the problem. But at the moment over on Amazon, this is only costing you just under £13. So you get a really thin, really light case with great protection for general everyday use. It gets the hole for the power button and for the rocker switch, the volume up and down, and on the bottom for the speaker and the headset. The headset and the lightning cable. But it's a very thin, very light case. This is the black colour one we were sent. You can get it in a clear colour as well. So I've got a feeling that the clear one might not show that scratch as much, but as I've got the space grey iPhone, I wanted to go for the darker case. But I'm pretty impressed actually. £13 for a very thin, very light case that will hold up against general scratches in your pocket, and keeping your phone looking as good as new. That's the main thing. And like I say, with the case, £13. If I did have loads of these really deep scratches on, at least it's on a case, not on the back of the phone. If I got them on the back of the phone, well, it would lose its value. I wouldn't be as happy with it. But because it happened on a case, if I wanted to, I could just get another case, or I could just leave it on there. It's not a major thing. It's only a little thin line on there. And again, I must point out, this was with a very deep scratch using a knife. General wear and tear in your pocket with coins, with keys, should be pretty good. As you saw a few seconds ago, I started scratching the top of this part here with the knife, the end of the knife, and it's come out perfectly fine. So yeah, for 13 quid especially, I'm very, very impressed with that. Very light, very robust, very, very impressed.